The week ahead for Dalal Street is set to kickstart with Reliance Industries' annual general meeting on Monday. Like always, investors' eyes will be glued to Chairman Mukesh Ambani's speech, as he addresses shareholders at the 46th AGM of the conglomerate. In the last few years, some of the big ban announcements from Ambani's stable have usually come at the AGM. Therefore, this event has taken center stage on Dalal Street. But this time, Ambani gave out goodies much ahead of the AGM in the form of a stake sale in Reliance Retail Ventures and the listing of Jio Financial Services. On Wednesday, the conglomerate announced that Qatar Investment Authority will pick up a nearly 1% stake in the retail arm, valuing the country's largest retail firm at $100 billion. The valuation of the retail business of Ambani has doubled within 3 years, and this has increased the noise of a possible initial public offer, IPO, of Reliance Retail on the street. At RIL's AGM in 2019, Ambani had first announced plans to list the telecom and retail businesses of the conglomerate. In 2020, Ambani did a mega fundraising program by selling stakes in both Reliance Jio and Reliance Retail to marquee private equity firms and sovereign wealth funds. Then, Reliance Retail Ventures raised 47,265 rupees crore, which valued the company at 4 rupees and 21 paise lakh crore. The sharp expansion in the valuation could lure private equity investors to take in some of the money back home. Therefore, there is increasing expectation that Ambani will throw some color on the IPO of Reliance Retail at the AGM. The IPO of the retail business is not the only thing on investors' checklist. Telecom plans. While announcing the June quarter results, Reliance Jio said that the company is on track to complete pan-India 5G rollout before December this year. A reiteration of the same could be seen at the AGM. Besides, investors would like to know the investment plans for the business for the current year and the focus areas for expansion. Investors are awaiting the launch of the fixed wireless access device, Jio Air Fiber, and reports suggest that the unveiling is likely to be in the festive quarter. This could well be yet another disruptor, as analysts expect Jio to offer it at an up to 20% discount from the current options in the market. Traction in the recently launched 4G-featured affordable Jio Bharat mobile phone will also be eyed by analysts and investors. Jio Financial Dreams. Ambani is widely expected to provide a roadmap for the financial services business, following its $300 million joint venture deal with the world's largest asset management firm BlackRock. Through this joint venture, RIL aims for a digital-first offering and democratize access to investment solutions for investors in India. Energy update. Ambani is also expected to provide updates on the investments in clean energy by armed Reliance New Energy. The company had indicated plans to set up gigafactories in the solar and battery businesses. Earlier this month, RIL had signed a memorandum of understanding with Brookfield Asset Management to explore manufacturing opportunities in renewable energy and decarbonization equipment in Australia.